Mark, we know that you go out of your way to avoid the hype when it comes to forecasting snow.
Yes.
Over the years, I've seen it. You never sensationalize it. But on your blog, you did use the word historic.
Ooh, I did.
And you're taking this very seriously, and we haven't really seen it yet for the most part, right? The bulk of it is still to come.
That's right. So we've seen between 1 and 5 inches in the metro area. The highest I think I've seen is 5 inches, central and east side. We've had, pretty good snowfalls. We'll see in some of our live reports. That was out of the first wave, which didn't have all that much moisture with it. The second one coming in tonight is a lot of moisture. I mean, if we were talking just rain tonight, we'd say, wow, rain increasing through midnight and beyond, heavy rain at times tonight. But it's going to be in the 20s when that happens. So imagine what that's going to do. Where the cold air is deep enough, we're going to get pounded with snow tonight. But where the air is very thin, the cold air is very thin coming out of the gorge, and I'll show you where, it's all going to freeze as a glaze on objects, which includes power lines and trees. So I think we're going to see a lot of damage tonight, south and southwest metro. All right, so Maryhill Tasting Room and Bistro camera. Temperatures were around 30 earlier today. As the cold air continues to pour out of the gorge, we're in the mid to upper 20s throughout the metro area. We are totally frozen. East wind gusting to 22 here in Portland. And look at that. That's not snow, folks. That is glaze. There might be some ice pellets mixed in, but Stoller Family Estate, that's what we call a silver thaw. That's kind of the old version of it. That's freezing rain, liquid rain, freezing on contact, and you're just getting started down there. It has warmed at the coast, I noticed, 39 up at our Shiloh and Seaside cam. So we've had light snow at times, or in this case, light freezing rain at times where the cold air is thinner. But now you see, look in the last, okay, right here. See it right here off the north and central coast? Suddenly it's filling in. Here comes that second wave. Within 2 hours, it should be increasing in intensity directly over the top of the metro area. And from the gorge out across the central part of the metro up to the north, the cold air is deep enough for now to be all snow. But down kind of across the central and southern metro area, we get that icy mix where it could be ice pellets, raindrops that have refrozen, that clinky sound. Or it's liquid rain as we move down into the valley. Salem, you're 29 and you have heavy rain on the way tonight. That's a problem. And the below freezing air extends to about Albany and also Corvallis. All right, so that's a live view at Newport. 46 there, so the warm south wind is sitting there. It'll stay out there, and we're locked in the ice box. So here's a model forecast. Here comes the rain, and 9 p.m., it's pouring on the coast. That's moving into the valley. And we're in the 20s. See the pink area? A lot of freezing rain south metro, maybe patches of freezing rain even up north. So let's go through the snowfall totals. Models telling us, hey, central north metro, we could see 8 to maybe 12 inches. Patchy. Some areas get 4 or 5. In general, it's historic because I haven't seen an event in mid-February with this much snow and this much freezing rain in my career. So 4 to 10 inches, central east north metro tonight. Heavy damaging ice glazing southwest and south metro. I'm talking like if you go from Oregon City to Wilsonville to Tigard to Sherwood, Newburgh, that's where we're talking about the big glazing. And we'll get into more details about what we expect in the gorge, up on the coast, and Kelso and Longview. We don't want to leave you folks out. That'll be coming up.